Well. Isn't it? Yeah, it's been a very long time since I vlogged. Anyways, I guess a year. Well, listen, from me to you, night shift isn't that much cool than you think. So, yeah. Is that my buzz? Well, yeah, I was saying, been a long year, long week of exams and finals. At least I'll get this week kind of free. Anyways, today's plans. I need groceries, a lot of them, because the only thing at the moment I have at home is coffee and hot water. Literally nothing more. Oh shit, I don't even have cold water in the fridge. Well, I need to refill that as well. Plus, I need to work on a design for a app phone app that has been quite on my calendar. I haven't even touched it. We'll get to that, and I guess I'll get over with the day. See ya. Wow. Okay. After a sweet little nap, currently around 3 p.m. I guess you're going shopping. Well, beautiful day, shiny day, sunny up. Nothing to ask. Well, let's first go to Zoomer. Let's try first before we die. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, let's head to Zoomer. Let's get some prices asked. See what's the situation with the tablet like. I need to buy one. And then head to Carrefour City for shopping. Well, I guess let's go. Okay, not gonna lie, but yeah, last night was kind of disaster. So imagine I get home, I get the groceries, I'll sort everything out here and there in the house, putting the meat in the fridge, all that shit. And then I get a shower. I start to air dry my hair. And yeah, the hair dryer literally blows up next to here. Like, imagine I'm holding it like this and it's like boom. Yeah, that's one of them. I'll show you when I get home. I'm still after a very long night of night shift. Very beautiful. Yeah, I go to play FIFA, and the power cuts off there, so we're there for no reason under the cold. But that was the second one. And then there's no taxis to get to work in the first place. And I was almost late, but that passed fine. So, morning, and yeah, let me get home so I'll show you the hair dryer differences. So yeah, home sweet home, and look at this beautiful disastrous of it sparkling next to my hair. Well, anyway, I'm home finally. Home is a disaster. I'm not gonna show anyone, of course, that. You gotta cook, and I need to pass out. Like, literally, it's 9 a.m. Yes, good night. Yeah. Remember I was supposed to pass out? Well, the passing out turned into a coma for around 8 hours of sleep. Anyway, not gonna lie, I actually needed it. My back was hurting super. So, bottom line, it's night at the moment. Actually, it's the same day though, at least. Going to work right now. Last day of this week, and I get to watch Black Panther tomorrow. Plus a lot of shooting range and having fun. So, see you after work, I guess. Wait. Already morning. It's 8:35. I finally finished work for this week. Get to go home, relax, study, clean. I need to cook too. And tomorrow we'll be Black Panther, shooting range, and having fun. So today is just like I just need to pass today. Bye bye. Okay, so morning was totally fucked. Those here, say hi. And we're here. How much is it? 1 hour earlier, so super duper hungry. Down for a pizza, and then straight to the morning. Well, 2 hours later, it's at least here. She's dying because she's starving from food. And well, I guess see you at the movies. And it's time. It's end of phase 4. Where did you go? It's end of phase 4, Black Panther. I didn't see any spoilers yet. Reviews apparently were very good. So although I did spend. Stop spoiling. She goes on TikTok and stuff, watches spoilers, and I'm the one who has to tolerate her. Well, hopefully. So, 10 minutes left. I don't know why we have to wait. They don't let us in. Everything is ready and yeah. 10 minutes and see what happens. So, they're probably not gonna let us take phones inside. So, see ya. Holy shit, I think my lens broke. Okay, Sunday morning, actually afternoon. Movie, how was it?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good. 3 hours of insane action of Shuri and it just was pretty good. That's all you have to say.
Yeah, I can't.
No spoilers, no
Yeah.
spoilers.
So.
Anyways, movie, perfect. You see? Perfect. Not pretty good. Finished the night, came home, and today, going to shooting. So, first we need a dose of coffee, because I'm still asleep. She's like a soul walking. She doesn't even know where she is. Let's go see David. David, how are you? Oh, we're angry. David, coffee time?
Best coffee.
Let's go.
Latte?
Which-
Latte? No.
Latte.